6, 1945, the US dropped an atomic bomb on Hiroshima, diminishing the morale of Japan's soldiers worldwide. The following day, the investigation again for preparatory efforts for independence, BPUPKI changed its name to the Preparatory Committee for Indonesia Independence (PPKI), raising the commitment to Indonesia independence.
In September 1945, as Japan officially surrendered, the younger generation in Indonesia, including Sultan Jair, Wikana, Darwis, and Cheru Saleh, urged the older leaders like Sukarno and Hatta to proclaim independence immediately. However, the older leaders, concerned about avoiding bloodshed, preferred not to rush and held consultations through PPKI meetings. The younger generation disapproved, viewing PPKI as a body formed by Japan. Sukarno and Hatta sought confirmation from the Japanese military ruler, but the office was empty. Later, at Rear Admiral Maeda's house, they were congratulated, informed that Tokyo's instructions were awaited. Despite the growing pressure, the PPKI meeting on August 16 did not occur as Sukarno and Hatta were absent.
1945, young fighters like Cheru Saleh, Sukarno, and Wikana, driven by heroic enthusiasm, took Sukarno and Hatta to Rengas Dengklok to ensure they weren't influenced by Japan. There, they convinced Sukarno of Japan's surrender and readiness to fight against any risk. In Jakarta, negotiations between the young and old groups led to Ahmad Subarjo agreeing to proclaim Indonesia's independence. Subarjo was brought to Rengas Dengklok and after discussion convinced the youth not to rush the proclamation. They returned Sukarno and Hatta to Jakarta. Later, Admiral Maeda Tadashi's house became the PPKI meeting place for formulating the proclamation text.
After leaving Nishimura's house, Sukarno, Hatta, and others went to Admiral Maeda's house to prepare the text of the proclamation. In Maeda's dining room, Sukarno, Hatta, and Subarjo drafted the text emphasizing the transfer of power. Sukechiro, Miyoshi, and others participated with some disagreement over the meaning of power transfer. The process, lasting from 2 to 4 in the morning, aimed to balance Indonesia-Japan conflicting interests. Sukarno suggested Sukarno and Hatta sign on behalf of the Indonesian people, with Sayuti copying and typing the text. Originally planned at Ikada Field, security concern led to relocating the proclamation reading to Sukarno residence on Jalan Pegangsaan Timur 56.
August 17, 1945, at Sukarno's residence on Jalan Pegangsaan Timur 56, a gathering including Suwirjo, Wilopo, Gafar, Pringodido, Muhammad Tabrani, and Trimurti witnessed the proclamation of Indonesian independence. Starting at 10 o'clock, Sukarno read the proclamation, followed by an impromptu speech. The Sang Saka Merah Putih, sung by Fatmawati, was then raised. Suwirjo and Muwardi, Deputy Mayor of Jakarta and leader of Barisan Proper respectively, delivered remarks during the event.
Yang mengenai pemindahan kekuasaan dan lain-lain diselenggarakan dengan cara saksama dan dalam tempo yang sesingkat-singkatnya. Jakarta, 17 Agustus 1945, atas nama bangsa Indonesia, Sukarno, Hatta.
On August 18, 1945, the PPKI decided and ratified the Constitution, establishing the Republic of Indonesia based on the 1945 Constitution. This marked the formation of the unitary state of Indonesia, a republic, NKRI, with sovereignty in the hands of the people and to be executed by the People's Consultative Assembly (MPR). Subsequently, Sukarno and Muhammad Hatta were elected as the first president and vice president of Indonesia with the support of Otto Iskandar Dinata and PPKI approval. They were to be assisted by a national committee.